Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G31 and let me show you how to take active photos in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to stay here and move a little bit up to the button above the shutter so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage here with active photos option at the first place. By using these three buttons we can manage them. From the right we can turn it off. At the center we can turn on active photos every time we take a picture, and by tapping on the left button here we can turn them on auto, so the camera should recognize the best possible settings to take active photos. Now let me keep it turned on every time we take a picture, because I want to show you how it works. And when we take a photo we should get now 2-in-1, the picture and the short clip. So let me try to use that by taking a photo. To see it, let's move to right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my picture. To play it we have to move up to play button, and as you can see this is how short clip looks like. We can stop it to see again the photo. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.